Your briefing is about to commence. A series of challenges that will test your brilliance. With over 1 million lines of code in every Jaguar, only the brightest need apply. Prove yourself, and you can become the software engineer that makes this roar. Prove yourself, and you could be the next in line for greatness.
We're going through this massive change over the next decade where software is going to become so much more prevalent in vehicles. We have to find a new way of recruiting talent that perhaps traditionally wouldn't look at automotive industry employment.
We decided to work with the Gorillas, who we've partnered with on a number of other campaigns, in order to find some different talent around those software skills, which is why we decided to use this app challenge.
The app is the latest iteration of a Gorillaz house. Historically, Gorillaz have always had these kind of spaces in which they exist as a band. So when they decided to bring Jaguar into this space, it seemed like a very natural collaboration that mixes virtual reality, augmented reality, 360 environments, and real world.
It sounds like a really fun way to get recruited rather than the traditional assessment days.
A challenge is inherently more interactive than an interview.
It's really good, yeah.
There are fun elements of your career and it really injects that into the application process.
You're not necessarily required to have knowledge of coding languages and things like that. All of that is solvable with the help of internet and a web browser.
The next phase will then be to actually set up a video phone conference with them. This is about having people around the globe working for Jaguar Land Rover, developing fantastic software engineering solutions.
There are lots of misconceptions around automotive engineering, and I think what this campaign does really well is breaks those down and actually shows what cutting-edge modern automotive engineering actually is.
We've actually created the challenges to tease out people's capabilities. So do people have cyber systems capability, software architecting capability, app development capability, and finally do they have graphics performance capability?
I think this is a really exciting development for the next generation of engineers.
We've got such a fantastically exciting cycle plan of new cars coming. We also need to bring loads more people with that software engineering capability to come and join the Jaguar Land Rover family.